Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable certain notifications on the YouTube mobile app that you may be interested in. So whether you want to receive new comment notifications, new subscriber notifications, that sort of thing. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to modify those settings. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the YouTube app and select the U button at the bottom right. So just go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select the gear icon at the top right. Go ahead and select that. On the left side underneath account, select notifications. And then on the right side, you can adjust all the mobile notifications you have the ability to modify here. Like I was saying, you have the ability to turn on or off subscription notifications, recommended videos. If you have post suggestions, activity on your comments, like if people liked or replied to them, if you're mentioned, if other people are reusing your content, remixing them or sharing them. So you have a variety of different things you can turn on or off. If it's to the right, it means it's turned on. If you click inside this oval, it's been turned off. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.